Baby Doge is listed on Bybit already. Now it's time to make more money trading, accumulating more Baby Dogecoin. You can see from their official Twitter page, it shows that Baby Doge was supposed to be launched on Bybit. And they urge you guys to buy, to deposit already before the launch on Bybit. And as of now, you can see Baby Dogecoin is already trading on Bybit. The price went right up to 0.00000050, and now we are seeing a massive sell-off, which is normal. Of course, those who deposited are now catching out some profit. Guys, how can you take advantage of this? We all know Baby Dogecoin is one of the top 100 cryptocurrencies out there, and right now we are seeing Baby Doge making headlines with major exchanges like Bybit, and more other exchanges are going to come for to list Baby Dogecoin. This is the right time for you to start making plans to accumulate Baby Dogecoin while it is still cheap, because when you look at this coin, you're going to see that the coin is down now 56%. That is 2,800% upward from the all-time low. You don't want to wait until it gets to 1,000,000% before you start buying, right? You have to start looking at opportunities to accumulate more of Baby Dogecoin right now. The future is bright when it comes to Baby Dogecoin. And if, say, we look at the chart of Baby Dogecoin, I have been showing you guys this long time ago, what has been going on with this project, and I urge you guys to take advantage of the price when it was still at this level. Let me draw this here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This level, when the price was still here, I urge you guys to buy Baby Dogecoin. Buy, because this is a huge project and it might hit the all-time high soon. And now we are seeing this movement to the upside, and top centralized exchanges like Bybit coming on board to list Baby Dogecoin. Binance is just at the corner, and we all know the ripple effect of Binance. Coinbase as well might list Baby Dogecoin. eToro can list this coin, and many other exchanges can list this coin. So you want to start buying, accumulating Baby Dogecoin as much as you can. If I look at the monthly time frame, you're going to see that Baby Dogecoin is going towards the all-time high. I mean, you can see from the monthly time frame, it's going there towards the all-time high. And I told you guys, buy Baby Doge here, buy it here, buy it here. And most of you didn't actually take me serious. Go to my videos. I've been making videos about this token long time ago. And those of you who took advantage of it, right now is the time for you to enjoy. Now, you are new here and you are asking yourself, how can you actually really make money investing in this Baby Dogecoin? Maybe you don't have enough money. This is what you should do. Even if you have just $10 right now to buy Baby Dogecoin, and this coin cancel 3 zeros, this is what you make, $10,000 from just an investment of $10. So I don't know what you want to do with $10. Like, you can just keep it somewhere in Trust Wallet, buy Baby Dogecoin and leave it somewhere and say, okay, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to wait until Baby Dogecoin cancel 3 zeros, and immediately I'm going to sell Baby Dogecoin to cash out your clean 9,990. That is $10,000. And if, say, you are able to invest $100, how much is that? That is about $100,000 if Baby Doge cancel 3 zeros. The question is, can Baby Doge actually cancel 3 zeros? Is it possible for this token to cancel 3 zeros? Well, be rest assured that this token can cancel 3 zeros in no time. We have seen this happen with many other cryptos out there. This is not an exception. And if, say, we go to see the possibilities of Baby Dogecoin getting to that level, I will tell you guys that looking at the community of Baby Dogecoin, guys, they are more than 1.8 million of these guys. Yeah, these guys are huge. Look at their Twitter handle right now. They are more than 1.8 million. Like, this is huge in the crypto space. This is a huge community. And if you see we hit the bull market, then be rest assured that Baby Dogecoin is going to make waves, big waves in the crypto space. So you want to be accumulating right now. this token before it is too late. And how can you trade this on Bybit? It's simple. Go below this video, you get my link, my Bybit link, and register to Bybit to start trading Baby DogeCoin on Bybit. Once you are on Bybit, this is how the interface of Bybit will look like. And if say you are a new user on Bybit, you have to make sure you do KYC to give you an opportunity to start buying other cryptos on Bybit. Now you just hover here, you see buy crypto, market, trades. You'll see spot trading. Click on spot trading and it will open, because right now I think Baby DogeCoin is listed only on spot trading. There's not yet the derivative for you to trade Baby DogeCoin. So once you have this here, the first pair is always BTC. Most exchanges give us first BTC as the pair you can choose from, and just go to the search bar here, then you search Baby Doge. It's going to appear. Then you can now start trading. But before you do that, make sure you deposit at least USDC or USDT to your Bybit so that you can use it to trade Baby DogeCoin. And if you want to deposit crypto to your Bybit, you can do it via P2P, or maybe receive it from any other exchange like maybe Binance or Trust Wallet. But make sure you are doing it the right way so that you don't lose money to a wrong contract. So this is how you're gonna go about trading or buying Baby DogeCoin on Bybit. Like right now, I can see that, of course, it's normal when any crypto project is launched on a new platform. This is how the price, is going to be moving. But be rest assured that after a couple of, minutes, we're going to see this token move to the upside. Now, having said that, I'm going to just put additional $23 in Baby DogeCoin on Bybit and allow it to to be there. So let me now place this order on Bybit. I think I have $24 right now. Let me see if I can buy this with my phone. Let me refresh this. You're gonna see that there's an order already placed. Yeah, you can see here, guys. I've bought about 4 billion Baby Dogecoin for $12. Well, I'm holding Baby Dogecoin on OKX. You can also trade this coin on OKX. I just want to see how the market is gonna be like. I'm gonna trade this right now. I just want to show you guys how you can go about buying it on Bybit, so you'll be able to do it on your own. I can see here that looking at the 15-minute time frame, we might see some pullback. So maybe I'm just gonna buy Baby DogeCoin with everything I have right now and just expect it to ride to the upside. So I'm gonna buy it with everything I got right now. All right, guys, this is what I got for you guys today. Go right now and use the link below this video to buy Baby DogeCoin on OKX or Bybit. That's it for today. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If say you want me to keep creating more of such content, then go and smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there.